Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and I want to share with you 5 reasons why the Precision Press Advanced is the best stamping tool on the market. First of all, we've eliminated the hinge from the design, which means that you're stamping straight down. And that makes a lot of sense because if you stamp with an acrylic block, you're just stamping straight down. You're not stamping on an angle. But if you're using a hinge stamping tool, you're stamping at an angle, which means you're risking getting a warped image. Whereas with this tool, you're going to get an even image every time. Second of all, you're not limited to the size of stamp that you can use with the Precision Press Advanced. You can use your thick rubber cling stamps or your thin acrylic stamps. If you're using a hinge stamping tool, you can't use your thick rubber cling stamps because, again, you'll get a warped image. So that's a nice feature as well. Number 3, the Precision Press Advanced has rubber feet on each of the 4 corners, which allows for extra stability as you're placing your image down, and that means that your image is going to be nice and even every time. Fourth, there's a unique peg system on this tool that allows for precision. So if you need to re-ink your stamp and re-stamp that image, it's gonna go exactly in the right spot every time. Plus, you can rotate your plate around 360 degrees because there are holes on all 4 sides. So if you're using a repeated pattern stamp, you don't need to remove that stamp and place it in a different place. You can just turn your acrylic plate around to get the full pattern on your project. And finally, since this acrylic plate is removable, you can use it off of the base if you want, or you can do layered stamping, and it makes it so easy. If you're using a hinge stamping tool, you're gonna have to clean off each of those layered stamps every time and then replace it, and that's just kind of a pain. But with the Precision Press Advanced, you can actually purchase additional acrylic plates separately, and that makes layered stamping a breeze. See how easy that is? I love to use the Precision Press for layered stamping. That's my favorite way to use this tool. Thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and be sure to check out the Precision Press Advanced by clicking the link below.